Hi kids, it's me Yomna, and today we will do some 3D shapes. I will begin with the pink color. Make it in a small bowl. I will pick the pink color, why it's my favorite color. Okay, I will pick the purple color. Like this. Do 4 of them. All of them. I will do also the blue color. Red color also. These colors are first my favorite colors. Then you will get some sticks. Push them in here and in the other one. Like this. And then you stick it like this. Get some from these. Like this. And get the other one. Like this. Do you see this? Okay. Now we will do the other colors. Put this on the side. Like this. And the yellow color also. Okay. Okay, like this. The orange color. Okay, like this. And the white color is the last color. Okay. Now we put these here. And put the other one over here. Now to put the sticks over here. Like this. And then put the Play-Doh up there. Like this. Now to put them, then it will not fall down. Put some sticks like this. Like this. And the last 2 pieces. That's the last piece. And put it here. Now we have a cube. This is amazing! The cube. Here. This is the cube that we did. Okay, let's remove these sticks. Put them on the side. The others. All of them. And the Play-Doh. Okay, let's remove these and put them over here like this, and this one also like this. Like this, and the red one. Okay, like this. Like this. We need to change it. Okay, like this. And okay guys, I will pick the white color and push it over here in the middle. Push it in the first one, in the next one, and the next one, and the next one. You can get the color which you want down here and up. Which color do you want? And the color on the Play-Doh, you can get this here to decorate it. Okay, like this. Okay, I did it like this. Do you see this? Pretty. Wow. You did a good job helping me. Okay. Okay, kids. Now, let's remove these. All of them. Or you can let 2 of them. Remove this Play-Doh. And these sticks. Remove this. This and this, like this. When you want another color, put another color, like this. Then we will put like this, do you see? Then we will do the toppings. And get some Play-Doh. I want the color blue. You can pick the color that you want. Put it over up there. And a yellow one. And a green one. Now to put these sticks. Like this, we are always finished on the end of this video. Okay, like this, do you see this? We did a good job.
Amazing!
Good job, kids. Okay, this shape is the triangle cube. If you like this video, subscribe and make like. See you next time, guys.